excited?
Yes, and that's so beautiful.
Adventurous shenanigans, and we got the shenanigan game.
Yeah.
What are we up to today?
We are going on the Santa train today.
We're going to go to the Santa train. We're over in Hoople, North Dakota. This is the first time we've gotten to do it. So let's go in and see what they've got.
Their train is beautiful.
You on it?
Yes. The train's very beautiful.
Start with some or hot dog.
Yes. Yeah.
And then there's the Reindeer are back in Fraser Hall, and there's a table up front to sign up for door prizes, and there's another table to write a letter to Santa, and Santa's up front.
Take this gingerbread.
Nice choices, ladies. Would you like some hot chocolate or some apple cider?
Yeah, it's hot chocolate. Ooh, there's marshmallows.
Yep, go ahead and grab what you want to add.
These cute little marshmallows. These are so cute, just love them.
They're kind of like sticking together. There you go. I got you one. You guys want ice to be put in them? They're pretty hot, so.
Look at this one. Ooh, that's really cute.
We got some tickets. Ooh! Looks like another fighting one. That's pretty Some more wafers. I thought we were just back.
You have fun?
Yeah.
Should we go see Santa now?
No. We're gonna go see Santa. Oh, there he is.
Oh, am I going to be on YouTube?
Yeah.
Well, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
What would you like for Christmas?
My dad would like coal.
Your dad would like coal? I have a big bucket.
My dad really wants coal.
Okay.
He wants extra.
Extra. Are you guys trying to get your own?
No, he just likes coal.